Alhamdulillah, finally we got our first win after so long. So I'm very proud with the squad. Second half we keep on attacking, and yeah, we had 3 goals. Alhamdulillah, cuaca pun mainkan peranan yang baik untuk membantu untuk pasukan kami. But last week di Sabah sangat panas. So yeah, Alhamdulillah, kami akan teruskan momentum. This season in terms of unit, as a team, they play better. Last year it's more individual, so we managed to prepare them as a team, then we play better this year. Untuk musim ni kami target untuk top 3, but we see how. Hopefully insyaAllah dengan momentum hari ni insyaAllah kita orang boleh capai target. The key is parents dengan coaches kena bekerjasama. Parents support coaches, faham coaches punya tugasan. It's not easy. It's not an easy task. So both party kena cooperate for the benefit of the girls. Keep on training, jaga makan, disiplin, diet, because the progress is very positive. So we have to maintain that and consistent.